I'm Ashley Gwines. I never had acne issues growing up. As a teenager, I never struggled with that. I was really fortunate, but then once I became an adult, I started to get this really fun adult acne. Especially after I had my daughter, it really started to become worse and stay longer, and it was just there all the time. And so I was at a bridal show and I met Matt with Skinkick, and he reached out to me and said, "Hey, you need to try this." And I was like, "Oh, okay." And typically I walk kind of past those kinds of tables, and there's so many people at events like that, but something that he said, these products are all natural, they're all plants. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna listen to you, because that's really important to me, that there's no harmful chemicals in products that I use. And so I stopped and listened to him, and I thought, I have nothing to lose. What I have doesn't work. This isn't gonna do any harm. I might as well go for it. So I tried it, and within 2 days, the next day actually, the redness in my skin had gone down, the inflammation went down, and I was really shocked, because nothing had ever worked like that before. So a few days later, after using the product, we went on a trip, and I left the Skinkick at the hotel. And once I got home, I was digging through all my bags trying to figure out where it was, and then I realized I left it there. And so I just continued to use what I had been using before, and my face got red again. I had a breakout, and so I immediately emailed Matt and was like, "Could you send this to me really fast? I need it." And so he was really nice and overnighted it to me, and immediately again my skin calmed down, redness went away, breakouts were minimal. So it's really been a game changer as far as my adult acne that nobody really talks about. I love Skinkick because of the natural ingredients. There's no chemicals that are harmful in there. It's totally changed my skin over the last year, and I recommend Skinkick to everyone.